Hey guys, this is Sonoise, and I welcome you all to Behind the Scenes YouTube. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video, and the reason is that I was not in a good shape. I got diagnosed with an illness, and it took me a while to get back on track. Yeah, but everything is fine now, and I will be uploading videos from today onwards. And I'm really glad that some of the guys really stick to my channel in the past couple years. Thank you for not unsubscribing the channel. And yeah, so we will study uh, a popular song called Snowfall by Oneheart and Reidenshi. We will see how the main lead was made. We'll use Serum to replicate the sound. The song got quite popular on TikTok videos and yeah, Instagram Reels and some other platforms as well. This is quite a catchy song. So okay, let's not more time. Let's get into it. Okay. So this is how it sounds right now. YouTube, please don't copyright me. Who's crying right now? I know I am. Okay, let's not play the whole song. Or I'm gonna get copyrighted. So yeah, I used Serum and some effects. Let's just turn off the effects. We're gonna focus on the main lead, main synth here, and let's start from scratch. So let me just set it to initial. So okay. So we have this initial sound. Okay, sounds so weird. We're gonna use the analog BD sine wave with three voices. Let's reduce the detune like this, so it gets stable. Or if you spread the voices, sine wave gets a bit weird. So yeah, we need to detune it. Okay. This is a good sweet spot. Okay, so let's shape the envelope. We need to add some attacks so it gets like it doesn't have that spike, that spike thing. So yeah, it's smooth this way, and we're gonna set the decay to about 1 second. Bring down the sustain a bit, add release about 1 seconds, and yeah, okay, it's got a nice vibe to it. Now add a filter. We're gonna add some drive here because to drive the sound. Yeah, it's kind of a filter saturation. It saturates the this area. Okay, as you can hear the drive, but we don't want to add too much. Okay, please don't die. Shit. Dead. Okay guys, so unfortunately my PC died. I need a new PC. I need yeah, let's just redo it. We added some unison, we shaped this thing, the envelope, and yeah, so this is where we will. Okay, add some drive. Adjust the cutoff like this, like about 600 hertz or 700 hertz. Oh, I forgot to change the. Okay, so now let's move to the effect section, and first we're gonna add some chorus, and let's see. We don't want to add too much since sine wave gets a little unstable. Okay, this. Let's reduce the delay one and add the delay to about 9.410. Okay, so about 10 milliseconds the delay 2, and the delay 1 is about 2 milliseconds, because we want to have some width, you know, and reduce the depth. We don't need much depth. Okay, now about the rate, we're gonna set it to BPM, about 4 bars. That'd be nice, I guess. We can increase the feedback. Yeah, sounds nice. You can of course experiment with it, see what is best for you, but right now we're gonna just keep it like this, and let's just add a delay. We're gonna add some ping pong delay with 1 to 8. Yeah, feedback is let's just keep the feedback as it is, and the drive at about 30. Let's listen to it. Can increase the feedback. Okay, sounds good. Now let's add a reverb. Reverb about not just a little bit, we need to add some more reverb. Turn up the high cut. Sounds good. Okay, so I heard some noise going on in the original song. You can add some noise here, or you can add some noise on the background, like some vinyl crackle or some tape hiss. Yeah, that's just about taste, so I'm not gonna add it here, because you can always do it on another channel to get the more control over sound. So let's just keep it here. Now we're gonna add a cassette VST. It adds a little bit, you know. Let me just show you the settings I did. So I'm gonna remove it, and let's just add cassette. Okay, so what I did here is I reduced the static noise and set it to home, and reduce the input to about 7-8 dB. Yeah, it sounds really great. You see, it gets more stable, like a cassette, vintage cassette effect. Okay, now to balance the sound, I added some Soothe. You can also add Gulfos, or there might be another VST like Soothe and Gulfos. You can just do it like this, and you know, selectivity, sharpness, because we need to trigger the, you know, the resonating frequencies. Okay, this much is, I guess, fine. Sounds good. You can always add some extra reverb to get more nostalgic vibe. Okay. As always, I will link this preset in the description. About the bass, I used, okay, so first of all, this one and this one, they both have the same sound. I added an EQ to cut the lows because I wanted the bass to stand out. I used my Reese bass that I made on Serum. I have a tutorial on YouTube about this bass. It sounds really rich. Yeah, so you can always head out to the video. I have linked the preset in the description, as I always do. So I will link this one as well. So okay guys, I'll see you next time. Goodbye, have a great day.